In this video we are talking about if Chainlink can continue the bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a bigger retracement to the downside. As you can see, we saw this bearish structure on Chainlink on the weekly time frame, but after we broke this supply zone and this range to the upside, we then saw this bullish momentum to the upside. And right now we are in this supply zone, and from this supply zone we saw this move to lower levels and this break of structure. So as I said, the chances are high that we can see some reaction right here. And as we go deeper into the chart, you can see that we built this range right here with this range low and this range high. And as you can see, we moved out of this range and also saw a body close, but in this case we directly saw this bearish candle and moved into the range again. And if we see a reaction right this and don't find acceptance over this range, then the chances are high that we can continue to go into the range again. And right now we are here again, but we are seeing a bullish structure because we have higher lows all the way and higher highs. So I think the chances are high that we can continue the bullish structure to the upside, because these wicks are also telling that we took some liquidity, but we didn't saw a body close under this lows or this lows right here. So this price action is bullish, and I can imagine that we directly go to the upside and see higher prices, especially if we are breaking this range high and this highs, and especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. And if we're going to the upside and breaking this supply zone to the upside as well, then I think the chances are high that we can see an explosion for Chainlink. And if we're breaking this range to the upside, then the next very important area is the supply zone right here, because from this supply zone right here we always find rejection, and we saw the beginning of the move to lower levels. So technically this supply zone is very strong and very important. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Chainlink, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. But if we are breaking this range to the downside, and especially also this demand zone right here, then I think the chances are high that we can see a bearish scenario and see even lower prices. But as long as we don't break this one, I think the chances are high that we can continue to the upside. And especially if we're going on the 4-hourly chart, I can imagine that we directly go to higher prices. But if anything interesting happens for Chainlink, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Chainlink. So all in all, we saw this bullish explosion to the upside. Then we came into the supply zone and now seeing rejection right here, because this supply zone is very strong and we caused the break of structure to lower levels. And right now this range will decide if we are breaking to the upside or to the downside. If we are seeing a move to lower levels under this demand zone right here, then I think the chances are high that we can see even lower levels. But if we're breaking to the upside and breaking this highs, and especially this supply zone, then I think the chances are high that we can see an explosion for Chainlink. And then the next very important area is the supply zone, because we saw a lot of rejection and the beginning of a massive move to lower levels from the supply zone. So I think the chances are high that this area is the next target if we are breaking to the upside. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.